The real Nervy Batsman playing police off-road chase tips, no mercy. And you could go to mission 1, 2, and how much you want. But I even to that 18. That was 3 that I did. This is 18 right here now. Let's go to 18. This is actually a hard level. You have to go over stuff. Look guys, look at it. Oh my gosh, yes. Sometimes I'll be freaking out. Oh god, no! Stop speed! Oh my gosh, guys! You see what I mean, guys? I already made it. The police chase here. Oh my god. No, I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna drive away. Oh, come on. No, no. Oh. Okay, that's not one. Hurry up. Oh. The police chase. Guys, if I was playing earlier, I thought we were turning it on the phone. Because then I had to get to the head, I had to fight somebody. I had to kidnap. Not kidnap. It was actually funny. He was like, what's going on? Hey, I was saying, what the hell you saying? And then you stopped up for me, and then my tears all out, and then shook out my things. It's really funny. This is what guys, so hardest things. No! Okay. Okay, this is the worst. This car is not really fast, but I have to use it because this one's fast. But guys, I don't know what's wrong. So I can't get over it. Okay. That was not good. Let's go to mission number 2, actually. Sorry. Let's go! No! Nigga, seriously. Okay guys, that'll be it today. I hope you had liked it. So, see ya! Peace!